Dear students and research scholars, do you know how to write a thesis? Many people will start to write thesis with an introduction, but they will fail. Why? Because the thesis of all the chapters will be included in the first chapter. If they fail in the first chapter, they cannot proceed further. Therefore, they have to start with the literature review, the second chapter. The thesis always contains introduction, literature review, organizational study, analysis, which includes collection of data, research methodology, research design, hypothesis testing, and tools used for statistical studies, and the types of random sampling. Collection of data in two phases. Number one is primary data. Number two is secondary data. Primary data is to be collected by the structured questionnaire through interview, online distribution, and emails collections, forming templates, and meeting and asking directly the questions. The secondary data from the available sources of the newsletters, journals, books, periodicals, and any other sources received from already printed on the same topic, newspapers, etc. Then, before going for the collection of data, you must ensure the authenticity of the questionnaire. Therefore, you have to go for pilot study. From the pilot study, for a small sample size of not more than 50, out of which whatever you desired with the two categories is to be distributed and collected the data and the time required, and the analysis process, if it succeeds by calculating on Cronbach alpha, which is to be measured always less than 1. If it exceeds more than 1, it cannot be accounted for, and there is a need for change of structured questionnaires. Further, after collecting the data, you must go for SPSS analysis, or nowadays R has come, and through Excel sheet also you can calculate. Many people will use SPSS of IBM version 21. This will help to calculate analysis, and here we need two types of process. Number one is coding the data, and another is feeding the data. After feeding the data, you must cleanse the data. Once the cleanse is completed, then we have to go for calculation of analysis. If you go on the top and give hypothesis, standard deviation, mean, median, mode, then regression, correlation, ANOVA, and t-test, f-test, and whatever the case may be, it may be statistical tools is used, including chi-square. And further, after analysis, you have to write the interpretation. Don't forget to write the graph from the available data. You must insert the table also and give the suitable source of data. Source of data without fail you must include, otherwise it can be treated as copied or hooked up data. You must acknowledge whatever the site may be. Here, site means citations. What is citation? How many types of citations are there? Citation is from where the matter or the text is copied from, which includes APA method, MLA method, IEEE method, Chicago method, Turabian method, and other types of citations are there. Normally, research scholars will use APA method. Only few research analysis will use MLA system, and engineering students will use IEEE methods. And further, there is another type called citation is to be given on each and every page with ostrich mark 1, 2, etc. And yet all, the word is used for repetition. Even number is used for repeated type of numbers. Finally, you have to go for findings and policy suggestions and conclusions, and end up with your bibliography. And any annexures is to be attached, can be attached. You have to attach the questionnaire also along with this. Beginning, you have to give the acknowledgement, page contents, which includes graphs and tables. Chapter scheme is to be included very clearly, and content of tables in detail information is to be given properly, so that for readers it will be very much useful. Everywhere you must include the page numbers properly, and then this will complete your thesis. Then you must go for checking English proofreading, grammar corrections. And then finally you go for the binding and take the signature of the guide and submit to the university. Before that, at least you have to complete 3 papers internationally published against your thesis. At least all the faculty members has to complete this lifetime at least 10 journals, 2 international conference, 1 national conference, and workshops also can be attended, and paper presentation is very, very important. This ends the topic how to write it. Dear students and research scholars,